Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of The Cryptid Bartender, where I show you how to make my very own custom, original cocktail recipes, all based off of different cryptids, UFO reports, paranormal experiences, conspiracy theories, all that fun, mysterious jazz. For this very first episode, it was requested that I create a cocktail and tutorial video based off of Champ, which is basically the United States version of the Loch Ness Monster. Hang tight, watch the video, and I will show you how to make the cocktail, some backstory on Champ, and how I drew my inspiration based off of Champ to choose the ingredients to make this cocktail. The United States has its own version of the Loch Ness Monster, and he lives in Lake Champlain. Samuel de Champlain, the founder of Quebec, Canada, and who the lake is named after, is said to be the first eyewitness of Champ, the famous serpent of the Lake Champlain. A 1970 issue of Vermont Life claimed Champlain reported seeing a 20-foot serpent, thick as a barrel, and a head like a horse. This quote, however, is fake, although he did document seeing a large fish in the lake, which was likely a long-nosed gar. More reports of a massive lake serpent did follow, and currently there are up to about 300 reports known. In 1977, Sandra Mancy photographed what looks to be Champ sticking his head out of the lake, but it is said the object is likely just a log. Even so, Champ has become a tourist icon for Vermont and New York, celebrated annually on Champ Day. I asked some friends of mine who live around the Lake Champlain area for some flavor profiling inspiration and ideas. What kind of things are commonly grown there? What's popular? What do people like? And the three things I was told mostly were maple, berries, just in general, mixed assorted berries, and ice cream. So I thought it would be appropriate to make some kind of delicious hard float. The ingredients you will need to make this cocktail are a fairly large glass, maple whiskey or bourbon, vanilla ice cream, blackberry brandy, frozen berries, Angostura bitters, and ginger ale, preferably nice and cold. Fill your glass about halfway with vanilla ice cream, give or take, just up to preference. Add in a dash of Angostura bitters, 1 ounce of your maple whiskey or bourbon, a ½ ounce of blackberry brandy, put in a decent handful of frozen berries, again just up to preference, and then top with your ginger ale. This is my first tutorial video, but this is not my first recipe, I promise you. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Facebook or Instagram under Cryptid Bartender. Please subscribe if you're interested in more videos. I plan on making more. I've been putting this off for too long, but I have a whole year's worth of tutorials to catch up on in video form. So there's plenty more to come, and I release a new one about once a week. So if you want more, please subscribe, and thank you for dealing with my sad first attempt at a tutorial. I will hopefully see you guys later through Facebook or whatever. If you have any requests, questions, comments, whatever, if you've tried the drink and you like it, please let me know. Go on Facebook, there's a whole album of all my different recipes, photo, bios, the ingredients, all that jazz. So by all means, let me know what you think, and I will hopefully see you guys later. Enjoy. I asked some friends of mine who live around the Lake Champlain area for some flavor profiling. I asked for some flavor flow. God.